Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your CapCut PC. So if you cannot find the newest feature on CapCut, that may be because your CapCut is not up to date. So you need to update it into the latest version. So here I'm going to show you how you can update your PC, CapCut PC. You can open your CapCut PC first and go to the settings. Click on this gear icon at the top. So go to the version in here, and there will be this notification to update. So when I click on this, so this is the newest uh, CapCut PC update. Custom voice supports multiple languages, supports saving compound clips as presets, and fix some known issues, improve the trimming experience. So if you want to install it, you can just click on install now. And now CapCut PC will downloading the updates. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye!